Welcome to our first lesson in square root. So in this chapter, we'll try to find the roots of natural numbers. So what do you mean by root of a number? So root of 16 is 4. How it is 4? If you multiply 4 by 4, you get 16. So 4 is the root of 16. Or 16, you can write it as 4 square. When you take a root, it will become 4. The square root and square will get cancelled. Root of 16 is 4. Root of a number means when x is multiplied by x, you get x square. Root, root of x square is x. So we will try to find square of natural. So first we will study what is the square of the natural number. Square means the number multiplied by the same. What is 1 square? 1 square is 1. What is 2 square? 2 square is 4. What is 3 square? 3 square is 9. 4 square is 60. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64. 9 square is 81. 10 square is equal to 100. So we have to remember this. Now when you take root of 36, you get 6. So, so what do you think some number between 1 and 4? You take 3. What is root 3? It will be somewhere between 1 and 2. You take 40. Root 40 is somewhere between 6 and 7. So the 6 point something is in between 6 and 7, in this range it is that. If somebody will, what about 90? Root of 90 somewhere in between these two, where it is 9 point something, 9 point something. 9 nines or 81, you have to increase a little. You have to find out. So this way also we can find the root of something. Okay. This I will again do at the end of that class. Okay. Next problem. Long division method. So some big numbers are there. What is the best way of finding the root? So you find out it's divisible by which number. So long division method works like this. When it is divided by, suppose let us, this seems to be 3, instead of 3 divided by 9. The 9 is, it is 3 square. If you divide by 9, it is 4 nines are 36. 3 6 4 nines are 36. 1. Okay, then this is 3 square multiplied by some square. So 441. So what do you think it is divisible by? Is it divisible by 3? 1, 3. If it is divisible by 9, we just try again check. 4 nines are 36, 81, 9 nines are, yeah, it is divisible by 9 again. 4 nines are 36, 8, 1, 9 nines are. See, it is good. Now 79 euro is divisible by 10. Now the 3969, you can write it as, you know, 9 square multiplied by 7 square, or is equal to 63 square. So you have found now square root of this one. Now square root of 3969 is equal to 63. We can now check it. 63 you multiply by 63 and find out what is the result. We can counter check it. Of course, let us say you are not adopt. You will adopt the second one I told you, some other method, how you will find without even dividing. Okay, I'll tell you a simple method. See, it is 3000 dot. You take 60. 60, if you multiply by 3,600. Oh, it is above 60. So you try with 65. 65 divided, multiply by 65. So it is 4,225. So somewhere in between that. So you find you should get 3 nines just above that. Now you try with 6 2. Like that. This is trial and error method. Suppose if you get exact, you get 63. So, but what is the range first? Where you have to catch. You cannot start with 5, maybe 25, 6, 6, 5. You can't go up. So you should exactly guess what is subject. It must be above 60 or 60, but maybe 60 euro. It is 3,600. So it is just above that. You try 31. Oh, sorry, 61, 60, like that. This will help you in gauging where you don't have any other way. This trial and error method, we can use it as in special cases. Though it's difficult, okay? Now, okay, we'll try next. Find the square root of 729. So I have given you a clue. Either this is a square root of something. You try with 2 square or 3 square first, whether it works. 729 to divide by 9. 8 nines are 72. The nines are 1. Okay, fine. So again divide by 9. So we get 3 nines. Put it on. So what is root of 729? Equal to root of 9 multiplied by 9. 9 square. So everything should be square. That only if we take a root it will become. And multiplied by 9. Root of 9 square is 9. Root of 9 is 3. 9 multiplied by 3 equal to answer is 27. So next problem. What is the square root of 12.25? When point comes around, things changes. Which one? Okay, 12.25. Here it ends with 5. So you try to divide this by 25. Or you can say 12.25. We multiply 24.5, something like that. So you try to divide by 25. How many 25? In 1225. This is 122 is divisible. So 0.425 are 100. 225 means it's 9. 0.49. How you multiply 0.49? If you divide by 0.7, you get 0.7 multiplied by 0.7 is equal to 0.49. So now we get the answer. So what is this one? Root of 1002. Sorry, this 12.25 is equal to, we take 25 root of 25 is 5. 0.7 square is there, so multiply by is 0.7. Or you can write as point is equal to root of 5 square multiplied by 0.7 square. So if this root and the square will get cancelled is equal to 5 multiplied by 0.7 is equal to 3.5. 3.5 is the answer. So the trial and error method will see we have to guess and put it. So we try trial and error. See, we know what is 3 square is equal to 9. So the 12 is above that. 4 square is equal to 16. So the answer is somewhere between instead of 3. You try with 3.3. So it is 10.8. Oh, then slowly like this we have. No, 3.3 is less. It's not more. Suppose if you try with 3.6, that will be more. So this trial and error, this first this digit, either 3.3 but if a 3.6, if you multiply by 3.6, it will be more. So somewhere in between that. Now you should write 3.45. Suppose say 3.5 also is not working. What you will do? So you can at least look at it between 3.4 and 3.5. Let us say or 5, 3.45. So again we should add one more digit and find out. You put 3.41 and try 2, you try 3. Suppose your if it is combined between 3.5 and 6. You know somewhere in between, then you should try with next digit. Like this we have to go. That's methodology I'm telling how by trial and error also. In this case, the second in this point where tallies agrees with the matter is over. Suppose it is not happening, then you have to continue further. Trial and error method. Thank you. Now in this chapter, we have seen how to find the root of a number. Please repeat the problems and try to apply your logic. So while doing more problems in the coming lessons, we will know how exactly we can find out square root of any number. Thank you. Please repeat the problem without forgetting 2 times at least. Go through all the problems and try to get satisfied with you. Whether you have understood the basics. This basic, if you are thorough with this basic, then you can any problem. Thank you.